Earlier this year, French brand Yema added 2 new GMTs to their popular Superman range. Now that global travel is finally opening back up again, it seemed like the perfect time for us to get them in the Watchgecko store, and to give you guys a closer look at them. The Superman Worldtime GMT is available in 2 colours. The first is a vintage-inspired version that features faux-aged lume and a red and black Coke aluminium bezel. The second offers a much more contemporary look with a steel bezel and crisp white lume on the hands and markers. Both colours are available in either a 39 or 41mm case, and it's nice to see Yema offering different case sizes to cater to different wrists and tastes. The 39mm has a lug-to-lug measurement of 48mm and a thickness of 13.7. Meanwhile, the 41mm case has a 49.5mm lug-to-lug and is 13.95mm thick. Both sizes are actually pretty slim on the wrist because the double-domed sapphire crystal accounts for 2.6mm of their height. The stainless steel case is fully brushed to give the watch a toolish feel, and Yema have stamped their historic coat of arms onto the case back. The watches come on a steel bracelet, and the clasp has 4 micro-adjustment positions and a diver's extension to help give you the perfect fit. Both versions of the new Superman GMT are very similar to Yema's time-only divers and share a lot of features with other models in the Superman range, such as the unique bezel lock feature first introduced in 1963 and the iconic shovel-shaped seconds hand. Of course, the main differences between these models and the time-only pieces are the 24-hour GMT bezel and independent GMT hour hand, which allow the user to track up to 3 time zones simultaneously. To ensure legibility in any light, the watches have bold, oversized markers that have been given a healthy application of Super-LumiNova BGW9. And combined with a decent 300 meters water resistance, this will ensure that the GMT will be a practical choice for when it comes to actually using the watch for its intended purpose. The Superman GMT is powered by the Yema 3000, an in-house movement which is designed, developed and assembled in France. It has a 42-hour power reserve and is adjusted to 4 positions, so it will be accurate to plus or minus 10 seconds a day. Not only is this a decent level of accuracy for a watch that isn't a chronometer, but it's also incredibly refreshing to see an in-house movement offered for well under the £1,000 mark. It seems fair to say that Yema has pitched the new Superman Worldtime very well indeed by offering buyers a choice of crowd-pleasing sizes, equipping it with an in-house movement, and creating a design that's full of character and charm. We think it's a mighty impressive package for just £899, which is of course why we offer them on our site, and you can head over to watchgecko.com to view our full range of Yema watches. We'll leave a link down in the description. We hope you enjoyed this quick video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers!